Hi, Hornets. Welcome back from fall break. Hope you had some wonderful time off. We missed you and we're so excited to have you back in the building. And I'm doing this morning meeting today to talk about something really exciting that's happening on our campus this Friday, which is our very first CGHS vaccine clinic for students during the school day. I wanted to take this morning to talk about how you can get signed up, but also why it might be really important for you to get vaccinated. First of all, we're starting to see a rise in the number of places and locations and events that are requiring vaccination. For example, a lot of universities and colleges are starting to require COVID-19 vaccines in order to enroll in their terms for the school year. We're starting to see concerts and other event venues like Broadway and other places require vaccines. Whether this is a restaurant, or even school events like homecoming dances, we're starting to see more and more places that are requiring vaccination for you to attend. And a lot of students we know are going to go off to school in the fall, want to go to prom, and want to enjoy some of the events around the city, and in order to do so, need to be vaccinated. I also talked to a number of CG students about why it's important for them personally to get vaccinated. So why do CGHS students want to get the vaccine? To keep my parents and grandparents safe, so that I don't have to miss 10 days of school if someone around me has COVID. To be able to attend important school events such as prom, so that I can eat in restaurants and be inside without worrying. So that I'm safer when I play sports without my mask. To protect my community. And then most importantly, to stay healthy and avoid getting COVID. We haven't seen any in-school spread of COVID, but over 90% of the COVID cases at DSST are students who were not vaccinated. It is incredibly important for all of these reasons to consider getting vaccinated. You have a chance now to get vaccinated at school, which is super exciting to bring this opportunity to you. This will be this Friday, October 22nd, from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Any CGHS student can sign up to be vaccinated during the school day during these times. This is free. There is no cost to you, no insurance required. Your parent will give you permission. You'll sign up online, and when you complete the form, your parent gives you permission to be able to get the vaccine during the school day. You'll be given a pass Friday morning in advisory, and you'll use that to leave class to come get your vaccine. And then we'll have a second vaccine clinic at school on Friday, November 12th. You need both of these shots to be fully vaccinated. So it's really important that if you sign up for one, you get the other one on the second date. This is how you can sign up. Number one, there's an email in your inbox. I sent this to you with the link to sign up and information about signing up to get your vaccine. Number two, you can sign up at the tiny URL link, which is CG Vaccine. It'll take you right to the page to sign up. And then lastly, you can take out your phone in advisory and you can scan here if you want to sign up on your phone. If you are already vaccinated, encourage your friends and people you care about to do the same. We know this is one of the most important ways that you can keep yourself and your community safe. And so we are really excited to bring this opportunity to you to get signed up at school. If you have any questions or concerns, you're thinking about getting the vaccine, but you're not sure, you have questions about its safety, you've heard certain things that you want to know if they're true or not, please talk to your advisor or to myself about the vaccine. We know that there's a lot of information about the vaccine out there, and we want to make sure you're getting the correct information and making the right choice for you and your family. So again, really hoping that a number of students sign up to get vaccinated on the 22nd, and you can do so by checking your email in your inbox, going to this tiny URL link, or scanning here. We've got a couple more minutes, and this is time for you to go ahead and open that link and sign up if you are interested. And again, you'll complete that form and your parents will be able to give permission for you to get vaccinated this Friday. Thanks so much, Hornets. We'll talk to you soon.